Hello, my name is Masupha Makhetha. Brand NoBodies, NoBodies Pty Ltd. Basically, it works with customizing and selling clothes. So we entered into the campaign, Vodacom Lesotho, via the social media. They gave us the platform and we found out about it on social media, in fact, and we really learned a lot from it, and we took a lot from it, especially because right now there's the COVID pandemic going on, which has put us through a lot. It put us through the mud. So we're very thankful to Vodacom and the campaign that it brought us, the local brands and threads campaign. It really made everything change towards what we want for local brands. Thank you. The people that voted were the integral part of us getting here where we are. We are in the top 5 NoBodies clothing. Shout out to all the other brands that were participating as well.